Hello students, welcome to another video on travel diaries. In this series, we are basically focusing on how to write a travelogue. And in this video, we are going to work on transition words to improve the quality of our language in a travelogue. So let's start. Let's analyze these two sentences. First is, she worked hard for the project, she could not complete it in time. Now it's again written here, despite working hard, she could not complete the project in time. So we have combined the two sentences using one word. What is that word? That is transition word. So transition words are used to link words, phrases or sentences together. And why do we do that? Because it helps us keep our sentences crisp and give a logical flow to it. Now, we have various functions of transition words, and the first function is to add information, and the next function is to show effect or consequence of the same, then to contrast or oppose the idea, then to compare or support ideas, and last but not the least, to sequence information. Now let's study them one by one. The first one is to add information. When we are adding, we use transition words if we want to build a new idea or add to an existing one. Let's look at an example. Original idea is, Sammy arranged for the cake and decorations. She organized games at the party. Now let's see. With transition word, it will be, in addition to arranging for the cake and decorations, Sammy also organized games at the birthday party. Now let's see the next one, to show effect or consequence. So here we use transition words when we have to show the consequence of an action. Tanmay dropped ketchup on his shirt. He had to go back home and change into a new one. Now we'll write it like this. Tanmay dropped ketchup on his shirt. As a result, he had to go back home and change into a new one. Now the next one is to contrast or oppose the idea. And here the original idea is, Dinesh runs with a great speed. He stood last in the race. His younger brother came first. And now we'll write it like this. In spite of his speed, Dinesh stood last in the race while his younger brother came first. So this is the use of transition words. The next is to compare or support ideas. When transition words can be used to show similarities or support ideas with further explanations and examples. Let's see. Due to gravity, objects fall at the same rate. A bowling ball falls at the same rate as a feather. Now it will be, due to gravity, objects fall at the same rate. For example, a bowling ball falls at the same rate as a feather. Now let's look at the next type of transition words, and that is to sequence information or show time. Why do we use them? Because they help the reader understand the flow of time or a logical sequence of what they are reading. Now let's look at this example. Chop the onions and fry them. Add the tomatoes and garlic. Cook the remaining vegetables in the pan along with the spices. Now let's read it with transition words. First, we chop the onions and fry them. Then, we add the tomatoes and garlic. Finally, we cook the remaining vegetables in the pan along with the spices. So, I hope you have understood all the transition words, and now it is the time for your practice. It is task time. We have been given 5 pairs of sentences. You have to join these sentences using transition words. I hope it is clear. So, wait for the next video. Till then, happy learning.